Okay, bringing you a quick update on Recursion Pharmaceuticals, Tesla, and Amazon. Recursion Pharmaceuticals, as you know, every video I've done on it is saying to buy. We've been going up. We came sideways during the week, and then we ended the week by grabbing these lows inside this demand on Friday and coming straight back up here. So I'm anticipating taking this high and this high. I'm anticipating, because basically we could do one or two things here. We could pull back into this demand and take off, or we could take off. But either which way it is, to take out at least this high, then maybe pull back and take out that high. Either which way, I'm targeting this high. Obviously I'm bullish, and I believe this is the start of something bigger, and that we'd be going to, take out these highs. And if you check the previous videos, I go into detail because we're close to our all-time low here as well. You can see that on the weekly time frame. Now these lines are a bit annoying, I must admit, but it's if I take off the extended hours, you get a bit less of the price action. You know what? It doesn't matter. So this is what I've got. We have the point of control here. The black line here marks the line where the most trading went, buys and sells. That's the strongest point. That's the point of control. That's the area that if we was to just break out of here, it will be a very bullish confirmation. If we was to come down and break and lose here, it would be a bearish one. In this time, from this low to this high, that price traded, the most volume was traded there. You could look at it as a battle between buyers and sellers, and who wins in this area. So a breakout here would suggest there's more buying power in this area. So I'm waiting for this to break as well to give me a confirmation that the low would hold, because at the moment we don't have much, and this can turn into just A, B, C, come down and give us another low before going higher. But I don't believe that is the case for Recursion Pharmaceuticals, but I have to always keep both directions in mind. Now, yeah, I'm currently waiting for the price to take this. I think early when we open, it will take this here, and we're gonna have to see if it's a 3, or do we get a 5-wave move out of here to potentially be making a 1, 2, 3. This kind of looks very 3-wave-ish. So again, it could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a diag. And so I've put the markings there accordingly, knowing that that's the most likely bullish sequence that we're going to see coming soon. So this looks like accumulation to me, this sideways movement, but that will be confirmed if we break the orange line. If I put on the EMAs, you can see they bunched up when they're like this and price is moving like this. You're either going to get an M and price goes down, or you're going to get a W and price goes up. Head and shoulder patterns are variations of the same thing, but the way price is moving here currently, it would favor upside. If I check the TDI, we're currently above the baseline, the 50 static. It's suggesting higher. Like price as well, we're above the 13 EMA and the 50. The 13 EMA is above the 50. So it looks like it's going to continue higher. But doesn't stop it from doing something like this. So yeah, higher. But until we break there, we can't confirm. Well, it'll be another confirmation about this low holding. Let me put it that way. So that's Recursion Pharmaceuticals for now. The path I'm looking at is something like this. And then a corrective wave in a 3 of some sort. And to go higher, this could come down deeper, probably more like this. But at the end of the day, upside for now. Checking out Tesla. Tesla, while everybody's speaking the worst about it, I'm seeing signs of strength. First of all, I saw an opportunity when the fact that it was trading 50% lower than its all-time range, below the halfway mark. I didn't even know what was going on with Tesla. I don't watch much TV. A friend told me after I contacted him and said to buy it. Then I got to learn what was going on, and so I just focused on the chart and the technicals. And the way I see it, the worst thing that can happen is another drop and then a rise. That's the way I see it. I don't think it's got much further down it can go, and there's a good chance the low might be in. We do have a 5-wave move up, and we have a 3-wave move down. It doesn't hit the 0.886. It comes to, I think, the 0.79. Which is a good common target for a wave 2 when the wave 2 is deep. Yep, it's the 0.786 over here. And it was good with time as well. From here to here, maybe even here, but we'll put it here. And with time, it came beyond the 1.618. It's what you like to see. Then potentially a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to come. That would take us out of this area and take us into the supply zone. And if we break this 0.618, it's taken from here to here, that will confirm that this isn't a 1, 2, 3, 4 going on here. This doesn't confirm the turnaround of the trend, but it's a good confirmation in backing that up. What we got coming down here to me is a zigzag, a double zigzag, corrective double zigzag, which is why it comes out of the channel a bit more. But if you notice, as soon as we did that, it appears that we're accumulating, and inside of that, it's very easy to count a good 1 and a good 2, and another good 1 and another good 2. Noticing that this is all happening inside this demand here. The last down move before the up move in this last swing leg that it's made. So you got an idea of its price movement as well. all-time low, this all-time high,